Welcome to 2703 South 2nd in the heart of 78704 in South Austin, just south of downtown. You'll note we have a charming bungalow built in 1918. It does have washer dryer and modern appointments. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is the main home, old pine floors, bright, tall, high ceilings in each of the bedrooms. This is another one of the bedrooms and the full bathroom that does have a separate soaking tub. We also have a charming enclosed patio, a back patio with reclaimed Mexican brick, barbecue grill, and this is the ADU, the back house, that is a separate 1-1. You'll see that it has charming high ceilings, vaulted hardwood floor. We're moving on to Silver Spur, which is near the Domain at Q2 headquarters. Has a huge, large backyard with great pecan trees, a great back patio. The front door lets in natural light in the foyer. We have a wood-burning fireplace, perfect for the winter. Flat TV screen mounted, a large dining table, another dining table in the breakfast room that you'll see here. Gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances. The primary suite has a walk-in shower, and the secondary bathroom is a tub shower combo. Again, this home has no hardwood, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single story with a 2-car attached garage. Tons of natural light, and every room has been updated. So now we're at 2215 Katy, and this is a 4-plex. They all have the same setup, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There are 2 assigned parking spots per unit. All of the downstairs and wet areas, bathrooms and kitchens have the tile, and then we have the luxury vinyl plank throughout each of the bedrooms and stairwell. You'll note that we have a combination of king, queen, and twin bedrooms, an overhang countertop in each of the kitchen with bar stools. We have a tub shower combo that is in both of the full bathrooms, and then a half bath downstairs, easily accessible from the kitchen and living area. The kitchen is fully furnished and fully stocked with the dishwasher, microwave, gas cooktop, etc. And 2 of these units have separately enclosed private fenced-in backyards. And as I mentioned, this is at 2215 Katy, near the university and near the downtown Georgetown area. And again, it's a 4-unit building, which means you have an A, B, C, and D. They all have the same setup and are nicely appointed. 2 assigned parking spots as well, near tons of public outdoor free areas to enjoy park space. Let us know if we can help guide you on any of your furnishing needs. And if it's not something you find in our grouping, of course, we are happy to connect you with any others that we're affiliated with. Be well, take care.